Hi, my name is Dorena. I am better known as the Space Doula. And this month, inside the Lynn Academy, our theme is choosing your path. It's all about choosing life on your terms. It's about following your life purpose, honoring your journey. And the magic is that when you want to create a shift in this area of your life, when you want to fling open the doors and move forward along your life path with freedom, then you can use your home to support you. In Feng Shui, your home and your life mirror one another. So, the first thing I want to do is tell you what area of your home, how to find the space in your home that is associated with your life purpose. And then, two, I want to give you three ideas of things to do inside this area. So, if you are looking at your home, if you're facing your home, the area inside in that front third of your home. So imagine a tic-tac-toe board overlaid on top of your floor plan. That front middle third is associated with your life purpose. So here are three things you can do. I want you to go to that space. Go to that area of your home, the room, the space that's associated with your life purpose. And the first thing I want you to look at is it too crowded? Because sometimes we can't see the path forward if there's too many things in the way, if there are too many distractions. And in your home, what distractions look like is clutter. So, are there things that you can let go of that you don't love, you don't need, or you don't use? Then let them go so that there is enough space in this area of your home so that you can see clearly that path forward. The second thing I want you to do is, again, looking in this life purpose area of your home. Is there a lot of other people's stuff getting in the way? Are you tripping over everybody else's stuff? Because sometimes it's the expectations of other people that hold us back, where we feel constricted about other people's thoughts and opinions. And so in your space, it could be, are there a lot of other people's stuff there that maybe belongs in different areas of your home or maybe out the door? And the third thing I want you to think about in this space is, can you see yourself? When you walk into this area of your home, most importantly, do you feel your energy in that space? If I were to walk into this area of your home, would I know that you live there? Does your personality, how you feel, can you see it in that space? Because if you want to see yourself on this life path of where you want to move forward, you need to be able to see yourself there. So I want you to be able to see yourself in this space, right? So maybe it's a favorite piece of artwork. Maybe there's a mirror that you can look and see yourself. So when we want to shift the energy in our life purpose, when we want to choose our path and move forward, what we can do, look at the life purpose area of your home from a Feng Shui perspective, that front middle area. And then, is there too much clutter in there? Do we need to declutter? Too many of other people's stuff in there? Does it need to be shifted back to other spaces in your home? And most importantly, can you see yourself in that space? So go make some shifts. I'd love to hear about them, and I will see you real soon. Mwah.